how we can quickly take some trades with Camera using our super feature called as rolling ticker. Hi, in this video, I am going to be telling you how you can use the set of stocks which you have identified. Say in the morning, after the first 15-20 minutes, you have seen a set of stocks and you want to pull up those stocks, or you have got created your own watch list and you want to pull up those stocks, no problem at all, right? Eventually, what we want to do is we want to implement the escape strategy, right? At least it has to start developing a score of 2 and above for us to consider, correct? So what we'll do is we will just go here on the rolling ticker page. This is a rolling ticker page. Rolling ticker page is available right at the top of the panel. Click on the rolling ticker and this page will open up. All right. Now in this particular page, we have got a section called as Camera. So all I have to do is just check on that box and I will see here a string of stocks appearing here, a string of stocks which are appearing here, which clearly tells me that these are the stocks that are moving. These are the stocks I have to pay attention to, and I should be looking at these names for participation. So you can see here clearly that whatever stocks are moving are getting captured here, and you can see that as their scores are appearing, you can see score of 2, score of 3, score of 5. So you can decide based on your trading action. So this is a continuously refreshing page. What we have done in rolling ticker is we are tracking the entire universe of stocks for you. You have to decide the universe, you have to put the stocks, and we will analyze the stocks for you. So for here, for example, the default basket is a Nifty FNO basket. Here, I can choose any one. If I put the indices, so for example, if I put the indices, I can see here that Nifty is having a bullish score of 10, right? You can see here that Nifty, Bank Nifty, stocks, everything is made available here, and all you have to do is go out there and start trading, correct? You can see here that the Nifty, Bank Nifty, wherever we have put here the mid cap Nifty as well, we have put here the Fin Nifty as well, right? So all those elements, when they are triggering a Camera score, is made available here, and you can see that the moment it starts moving, as an index trader, you can take a decision. If you don't want the indices, you want the stocks, or you want the top 50 stocks, you can see here, based on the top 50 stocks, the score starts appearing and you can take action. The moment the score appears here, all you have to do is go out there and check out if you want to certify this particular stock. Okay, if you want to check, okay, is there the momentum quite strong in this? What you can do is you can go here, right? I can just go here and click on this particular stock. So it opens up something called as a stock analyzer. So from here, I can get to see what is the momentum here. So for example, I click that stock, momentum is a strong buy. So I know that this stock is worth trading, right? Again, I go here, again, I check out another name here. I click on this name again, and then I see what is the momentum for intraday. How is it placed? So again, I see here that yes, it is in a buy mode. So this way, I am having clarity that yes, the scores which are emerging is it also supported by momentum. So by a momentum thrust is important. Like you have seen that if momentum is there, then that stock will also show more propensity to move higher towards your target. What is your target as a Camera trader? Your target is H5 and H6. So this is how you can start trading and you can start participating in the market. All right. So I hope all of you have got a good idea now on how to look at the setup and how NeoTrader along with rolling ticker will. So NeoTrader is giving you the Camera entire page setup. Now, if you want to refine it further and trade faster and more efficiently, that can happen very well with rolling ticker. So rolling ticker is the page for you. So once you get into rolling ticker, the scores will keep appearing and you can start taking your own trades. All right. So this was a video where I wanted to share with you on how to use NeoTrader along with rolling ticker for the Camera pages.